Quarterback Alex Moran has been waiting his entire high school career for this moment. He carried his team to an undefeated season this year and now has a chance to send his team to the New Jersey State Championship. It is 4th and goal for the Patriots with 4 seconds to go. Moran comes to the line. No receivers to his right. He's set.
Omaha! 37's the mic! Rex! Alright, to the hot!
Moran drops back. Rolls right. He dives and it is a touchdown. Patriots win. But hold up. Moran is down and this isn't looking good for the Patriots' star quarterback.